Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to create simple REST API by creating Spring Boot application. Let's get started. Let's open your Spring Tool Suite. Now create the project here. I gave project name as REST API. Click on next. Here we need to select the dependencies for our project. Now I am selecting only web dependency. Click on next. Click on finish. See here our project is getting ready. See here we got project here. This is our project structure. Inside this source/main/java folder we will be having one package. Inside that we have one class. This class contains the main method. Now I will create one more package here. Inside this package I will create one class. I gave class name as REST API controller. To create REST API we need to make this class as controller. I will give @REST controller. Inside this I will create one method. See here, first I created one package. Inside that package I created one class. After that I made that class as controller by giving the annotation @REST controller. After that I gave one request mapping for that class. And then inside this class I created one method. This method will return hello world, and for that method also I gave one request mapping. Now I will go to the main method. I need to save this file. Now I will run this code. Run as Spring Boot application. See here, the Spring Boot application by default uses the Tomcat server to run the project. Whenever we run the project, then the Tomcat server by default run on the 8080 port number. In my system, in 8080 port number, some other process is running. So it is telling port 808 was already in use. So I need to change that port number. See here, I will change the port number. To change the port number, I need to go to this resource folder. Inside that I have application.property file. Here I need to give server.port is equal to 8081. I will change the port number to 8081. Now I will run the code. See here, project get run. Now I need to go to the browser. Here I need to give the URL localhost colon 8081 slash API slash test. See here, we got the hello world on the browser. Now I will copy this URL and go to your Postman app. If you don't have Postman in your system, you can download the Postman and install in your system. I made one video on the installing Postman. I will give the link in the description. You can go through that video and download the Postman. Click on this plus symbol. Now paste that URL here. Send. See here, we got the hello word on the Postman itself. See, whenever we are giving the URL, we are sending the request, and when we send the request, our project will give us the response. That response we got here. See here, we got the output. Now I done with creating simple REST API by creating Spring Boot application. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.